Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. On this video we are gonna look how we can buy the buyer seller messages on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option on the bottom right corner. We can see our profile option right there. Just tap on the me option on the bottom right corner. So when we reach here we can see the purchase add-ons option. Just below the buy now option we can see the purchase add-ons, but so just below the buy now option we can see the purchase add-ons option. Just tap on it. So when we tap on it, here we can see in the add-on section we can see the buyer seller messages. Just tap on the buy now option and then choose your package right there, and after doing the payment we can just buy the buyer seller messages. So this is how we're gonna buy the buyer seller messages on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.